Content of this presentation: Global Culture and Tourism Geography Course Guide. Global Culture and Tourism Geography Course Unit, North America. Global Culture and Tourism Geography Course Guide. Bachelor of Science in International Tourism Management. Global Culture and Tourism Geography. The tourism industry is a thriving industry comprised of various sectors that connect virtually every sector of the economy. There has been an increase in the number of schools, universities, colleges, and tourism organizations whose interests and offerings are in tourism information over the years. As a result, there is a growing demand for knowledge about attractions, destinations, and culture across countries. Global Culture and Tourism Geography was designed to introduce students to specific world destinations, specifically geographic features, visitor attractions, religion, language, travel requirements, customs, traditions, and all aspects of culture. This course takes students to fascinating destinations around the world, where they will learn about diversity at work and how these interesting and diverse tourism resources connect and are valued on a global scale. This course shall have students analyze and understand specific world travel destinations, with emphasis on the exploration of geographical features, customs and traditions, population, visitor attractions, political, religious, language and cultural differences as these relate to the hospitality and travel industry. Students will develop understanding as well as sense of responsiveness for cultural values and traditions that exist beyond their own culture. Students will be able to identify international travel patterns by locating various major cities, natural wonders, historic sites, and other tourist attractions, both man-made and natural, focusing as well as with the major travel-generating and travel-receiving areas. At the end of the course, and given relevant actual or simulated situations conditions, the students will be able to 1. Analyze and understand specific world travel destinations, with emphasis on the exploration of geographical features, customs and traditions, population, visitor attractions, political, religious, language and cultural differences. 2. Source and present information related to world tourism and geography. 3. Provide advice on specific global destinations. 4. Identify international travel patterns. Course Module Week. Course Unit CM1, Introduction to Global Tourism and Geography and the IATA Traffic Conference 1. 1. CM1-CU1, Introduction to Global Tourism and Geography. 2. CM1-CU2, The Six Inhabited Continents of the World, Its Geography, Facts and Figures. 3. CM1-CU3, Top Tourist Attractions and Destinations in North America 4. CM1-CU4, Top Tourist Attractions and Destinations in Central America and the Caribbean. 5. CM1-CU5, Top Tourist Attractions and Destinations of South America 6. Prelim Examination. CM2, IATA Traffic Conference 2. 7. CM2-CU6, Top Tourist Attractions and Destinations of Scandinavia, British Isles, and the Iberian Peninsula. 8. CM2-CU7, Top Tourist Attractions and Destinations of Central Europe, France, and Southern Europe. 9. CM2-CU8, Top Tourist Attractions and Destinations of Russia, the Balkan States, and Eastern Europe. 10. CM2-CU9, Top Tourist Attractions and Destinations of the Middle East, North and East Africa. 11. CM2-CU10, Top Tourist Attractions and Destinations of West and South Africa. 12. Midterm Examination. CM3, IATA Traffic Conference 3, Emerging and Trending Destinations. 13. CM3-CU11, Top Tourist Attractions and Destinations of South and East Asia. 14. CM3-CU12, Top Tourist Attractions and Destinations of Central and Southeast Asia. 15. CM3-CU13, Top tourist attractions and destinations of Oceania. 16. CM3-CU14, emerging and trending destinations for millennial and post-millennial generations. 17. CM3-CU15, destinations of the world with international importance. 18. Final examination. Access to Canvas Learning Management System, participation to the discussion board, class attendance, class participation. Submission compliance to weekly assessment tasks, examinations. Donisa, L. and Aragon, L. Global Culture and Tourism Geography. 1st edition. Rex Publishing. Manila, Philippines. Hall, M. Liu, A. and Timothy, D. World Geography of Travel and Tourism, A. Regional Approach. Elsevier in Planacre House, Jordan Hill, Oxford OX28DP, UK 30 Corporate Drive, Suite 400, Burlington, MAR 01803, USA. National Geographic Partners, LLC. Travel Guide, National Geographic's latest travel stories. Global Culture and Tourism Geography Course Unit, North America. Bachelor of Science in International Tourism Management. Global Culture and Tourism Geography. Course Module. Course Unit. Week 1, 2, 3 top tourist attractions and destinations in North America. Read course and unit objectives. Read study guide prior to class attendance. Read required learning resources. Refer to unit terminologies for jargons. Proactively participate in classroom discussions. Participate in a weekly discussion board. Answer and submit course unit tasks. At the end of this unit, the students are expected to cognitive 1. Identify the different geographic features of the destination countries. 2. Of understanding on political systems of specific destination countries. 3. Understand and identify specific world travel destinations across the continent. Effective 1. Explore the culture, customs and traditions of specific world destinations. Psychomotor 1. Search information on visitor attractions of specific world destinations. 2. Locate various countries, major cities, natural wonders, historic sites, and other tourism attractions, both man-made and natural. Political geography. Physical geography and topography, climate. Demographics, gastronomy, customs, and pop culture. Tourist destinations in North America. Overview and to-do list. In order to successfully complete Week 3, the students must do the following. 1. Watch Video 1, Overview of North America. Video 2, Top Travel Destinations in North America. 2. Participate. Join in a group discussion regarding the trivia country statistics, North America. 3. Read Lecture 1, Political Geography of North America. Lecture 2, Physical Geography, Topography and Climate of North America. Lecture 3, Demographics, Gastronomy, Customs and Pop Culture in North America. Lecture 4, Tourist Destinations in North America. 4. Join synchronous session via Google Meet. 5. Answer Quiz 2 - North America. 6. Create, work individually to answer the blank map of the 6 of North America. Adventure Tour, a tour designed around an adventurous activity such as rafting, hiking, or mountain climbing. Adventure Traveler, adventure travelers travel to destinations with the specific purpose of active physical participation and exploration of new experiences. American Plan, a hotel's meal plan that usually includes all 3 meals each day. Amex, American Express. Barge cruising, pleasure cruising along a canal system, such as in upstate New York or in Europe, in converted barges or new ships that resemble them. Bed and breakfast, overnight accommodations usually in a private home or boarding house, often with the full American style or continental breakfast included in one rate. Culinary Tourism. Culinary tourism is defined as the pursuit of unique and memorable eating and drinking experiences. By combining travel with these edible experiences, Culinary tourism offers both locals and tourists alike an authentic taste of a specific culture or geographic region. Cultural tourism. Cultural tourism is the category or tourism concerned with a country or region's culture, specifically the lifestyle of the people in those geographical areas, the history of those people, their art, architecture, religion, and other elements that helped shape their way of life. Culture. Similar shared traits or characteristics unique to an ethnic group, region, or nation. Demographics. Population measures, such as age, gender, income, education, race, ethnicity, religion, marital status, household size, and occupation. Department of State, the U.S. government agency that, among other things, issues cautions and warnings concerning travel to many points worldwide. Connect to the Department of State for the latest updates for the areas you are interested in. Disaster tourism. Travel when tourists go to an area that may be or may have been affected by natural disasters, civil strife, or warfare. Eco-sustainable tourism. Eco or sustainable tourism is tourism directed towards exotic, often threatened, natural environments, especially to support conservation efforts and observe wildlife. Ethnotourism. Focusing on exploration of indigenous populations and their respective culture and traditions. Experiential travel. Experiential travel is also known as immersion travel and is a form of tourism in which people focus on experiencing a country, city or particular place by connecting to its history, people and culture. Fjord, a narrow inlet from the ocean usually bounded by cliffs, and with spectacular scenery. Most are located in Alaska, Norway, and New Zealand. Modified American plan, meal plan that includes 2 daily meals, usually breakfast and dinner. Native Americans, also known as American Indians, First Americans, Indigenous Americans in other terms, are the indigenous peoples of the United States, sometimes including Hawaii and territories of the United States, and other times limited to the mainland. North America, a continent in the Western Hemisphere connected to South America by the Isthmus of Panama. The nations of the North American continent collectively. The Americas, also known as America, are lands of the Western Hemisphere, composed of numerous entities and regions variably defined by geography, politics, and culture. The Americas are recognized in the English-speaking world to include 2 separate continents, North America and South America. UNESCO World Heritage Site. A UNESCO World Heritage Site is a place that is listed by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization as being of special cultural or physical significance. Via Rail, the Canadian Railway System. 1. Chapter 5, The Americas, pages 273 to 319 of Geography of Travel and Tourism, a Regional Approach. 2. North America Travel Guide, National Geographic's latest travel stories about North America. Study questions. 1. What are the countries included in North America? 2. How would you describe the climate of North America? 3. What are the important landforms, water forms, flora and fauna found in North America? 4. How would you describe the people, culture, gastronomy, customs and pop culture in North America? 5. What are the top tourist destinations in North America? Donisa, L. and Aragon, L. Global Culture and Tourism Geography. 1st edition. Rex Publishing. Manila, Philippines. Hall, M. Liu, A. and Timothy, D. World Geography of Travel and Tourism, a Regional Approach. Elsevier in Planacre House, Jordan Hill, Oxford OX28DP, UK 30 Corporate Drive, Suite 400, Burlington, Mile 001803, USA. National Geographic Partners, LLC. North America Travel Guide, National Geographic's latest travel stories about North America. Retrieved from. Presented by Our Lady of Fatima University, Valenzuela Campus. Chime Explorers. Members. Jamili Kabatik, MBA, CHP, CHE. Program Head, Hospitality Management Department. Rizadelos Santos, MBA, LPT, CTP, CHE. Program Head, Travel Management Department. And Joevelyn Anvalamada, NBA, SWEP Coordinator, Travel Management Department.